This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first repair actions. Make sure you have an external backup and at least 20% free disk space. This prevents installation failures. Once ready, open Settings, go to Windows Update and note the KB number of the failing cumulative update so you can target fixes precisely. Then run Storage Sense or clear temporary files to free space. Next, pause updates for 1 hour to avoid automatic restarts while you prepare diagnostic steps. Now you move into diagnostic and hands-on fixes. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter and note any error codes. This guides the next steps. If problems persist, stop Windows Update services, rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force fresh update files, and restart services. After that, run dism to repair the component store and then sfc to fix system files. These commands address corruption that blocks cumulative updates. Make sure to run dism first, then sfc. Finish by attempting installation and one key troubleshooting tip if needed. After repairs, try Windows Update again. If it still fails, manually download the KB package and install it. If the installer errors, reboot to safe mode with networking and run the offline installer to avoid third-party interference. Once installed, confirm the update in Settings and reboot. If you still see errors, examine CBS. Log for clues. And as a final resort, use System Restore or Reset while preserving files. Only use Clean Install when absolutely necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.